The Makerspace has been used by different classes, especially physics and business classes, looking to make models of their homework. It's also been used by students making miniatures for board games. It's also been used for students making masks for the pandemic. It began as a space to allow creative involvement for students for things outside their majors to help with their classes. So students who weren't in the art department could come in here and do artistic things. So we wanted a place that you could use no matter what major you were in or what your interests were. I would love this to be a community space where you can meet up with your friends and classmates and create your creative visions together. We have industrial machinery like the laser cutter, and we also have less heavy-duty machinery like the sewing machine. We have soldering irons, we have Raspberry Pis, Arduinos. We can do paper mache, cardboard craft, knitting, crocheting, painting. Basically anything that you can think of, we probably have a tool for. The room is open for students to use 8 to 5, Monday through Friday. And if you just want a space to study or to tinker and craft, you can do that. If you want to use any of the machinery, you can contact me. And you can also talk to the work studies at the front desk to make a time for you to come in and use the space and the machinery.